Hi y'all, welcome back to Cooking McGee Style. Today we're gonna do something really easy. We're gonna make our own homemade pimento cheese. Super simple, let's get started. So all we're gonna need for this today is some sharp cheddar cheese that I'm going to grate, about 6 to 8 ounces. So about half that block. And mayonnaise, and we need mayonnaise. Cream cheese, it's 2 ounces. It's been at room temperature, getting softened. And then 2 ounces of sliced pimentos, some salt, some pepper, a little bit of paprika if you want to, and pickle juice. Yes, so let's dive right in and get this done. It takes no time. All right, we have our cheese. That's about 7 ounces. And here's our half cup of mayonnaise. Duke's is my favorite, but feel free to use whatever kind you want, obviously. Cream cheese, make sure it's softened. You could do this in a stand mixer if you want to, if you want like a more gooey pimento cheese, and more or less mayonnaise can be added to your taste, right? I'm gonna go ahead and just use the whole 2 ounces, and yes, they're in here because I drained them. I don't want the juice in there. Now 1 tablespoon of pickle juice. We're gonna add some salt and pepper to taste. More can be added later. And I'm gonna add a touch of paprika, smoked paprika, just a little bit. And there you have it, homemade pimento cheese. Let's give it a taste. It's really good. I'm gonna put what's left in an airtight container, put it in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow, let's explore some options on what to do with this delicious pimento cheese. Protein packed salad. Yes, don't even need dressing because that pimento cheese is the bomb. See, you don't have to just make sandwiches out of it, but we're going to. So next we're gonna do a classic pimento cheese sandwich. There's our cheese. I cut the crust off the bread. I put some of this on there, and it needs to sit out for just a second. It's a little chilly from the fridge, but those flavors really did come out really nicely. This is optional. I'm going to, because I like to add some lettuce. Growing up, I didn't normally get lettuce on my pimento cheese sandwiches, but now that I'm an adult, I kind of like lettuce on there. And cut it into a little triangle. Yes, yummy. Sliced tomatoes would have been excellent on here as well. Can't go wrong with classic. All right, let's do something else. Now I've got the oven preheated at 375 degrees, and we're gonna use up these croissant rolls I had. I've got some lunch deli style ham, of course our pimento cheese, but I also have the crust that I removed off that last sandwich. We're gonna toast these up. See, why not? This is just olive oil spray, Italian seasoning. Just put that over there and leave that there. So this is very similar to how I make my pigs in a blanket. Very similar, and I'm just gonna show y'all. I'll make tea. I'm not gonna be putting jalapenos in these. Bobby's out of town and my neighbors don't care for spicy, so no jalapenos in this. We're gonna start with, put some pimento cheese in here, some of this ham lunch meat, and we're just gonna roll it together. Peach in the edges, there. And it's just gonna go on some parchment paper and in the oven. Doesn't really matter in which way you put it, meat first, cheese first. It's all going in the same place. Okay, let's pop these in the oven for 13 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 13 minutes, please.
Got it, 13 minutes. And that's starting now.
And while that's cooking, we're not done yet. All right, I got pimento cheese right here in the middle of these 2 pieces of bread. Butter on both sides. And the pan should have been preheated. It's working on it. Nope, you know what? I turned on the wrong burner. Okay, start over. We're just making a classic grilled cheese sandwich here, except we're using our homemade pimento cheese. Let's go ahead and take these out of here, because they are done. Let them cool for a little bit. So here's another, just simple. The edges of the breadsticks that I cut off, and the edges of the bread that I cut off from the bread, toast them up. Let's keep going. This is done. Let's cut into it. It's really hot. Yes. This would go excellent with some homemade tomato soup. I have a video on that. I will link it in the description. Yeah, yumminess. Pull one of these off of here. Ooh. Pulled them out just in time. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be making something a little different, and once I post that video, it'll be right over there. Let's try out this croissant roll. Make sure you let them sit for a little bit to cool off. Yeah, delicious. Ham and pimento cheese croissant rolls, or pigs in a blanket, whatever you wanna call it. Same thing, kind of. I hope you enjoyed. Well, please like and subscribe if you want to, and I gotta go clean my kitchen. See you later.